In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on routine. So first, open routine app, or you can open it to your browser, tap on let's go, and sign in with your Google or with your email. So choose my account, click on open. Now once open, go to your profile at the bottom left. So tap on it. Now what you can do is to go to settings, tap on settings, and in here go to preferences. Now once you click preferences, so here you'll see theme and choose dark. And that's basically it. You can also choose system. So it will automatically adjust based on your computer settings. And that's basically it. So you just need to go to your profile down here at the bottom left, then go to settings, go to account, and under account, click on preferences. And once you click preferences, go to theme and choose dark. And that's basically it. If you want to turn into light mode again, just click on light. And that's how you can enable dark mode on your routine. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.